Welcome, dear listeners, to another soul wrenching episode of Sacred Sparks. I'm your host, guiding you on this beautiful journey of spiritual awakening and positive transformation. Today, we are diving deep into an ancient spiritual practice that has the power to ignite positivity, abundance, and clarity in your life. We are talking about the powerful ritual of Homa. Ever wondered how a sacred fire ritual could significantly alter your life's path? Imagine for a moment being able to clear obstacles, enhance prosperity, or heal relationships simply by invoking divine energies through sacred flames. Sounds fascinating, doesn't it? Well, that's exactly what the Homa ritual does. And at Astro Power, we are dedicated to bringing this ancient practice right to your home, online, wherever you are in the world. First, let's understand what exactly is a Homa ritual. Homa, also known as Yagya, is an ancient Vedic fire ceremony originating thousands of years ago in India. It is performed by invoking divine energies through mantras, sacred herbs, ghee, and offerings, creating a transformative energy field that purifies and uplifts. Think of Homa like a spiritual reset button, just like you restart your smartphone when things seem stuck or sluggish. A Homa ritual resets your spiritual energies, removing negativity and restoring balance. So, why might someone need a Homa ritual? Perhaps you have noticed recurring obstacles in your career, strained family relationships, or an overall sense of stagnation. A tailored Homa ritual can target these very issues, providing tangible relief and noticeable change. Let's consider Sam, a successful entrepreneur from California. She was constantly facing hurdles in scaling her business. After consulting with Astro Baba, she performed a personalized Lakshmi Kubera Homa, and guess what? Within weeks, her business began flourishing like never before. Not only did she secure significant investments, but she also experienced greater confidence and clarity in her decision making. Similarly, Rajiv, a software professional from Bangalore, struggled with persistent health and anxiety issues. After a powerful Dhanvantri Homa, his life took a remarkable turn towards positivity, health, and peace. He reported not only physical relief but also a notable improvement in his mental and emotional well being, allowing him to thrive in both his personal and professional life. You might be thinking, this sounds incredible, but how can I access such rituals easily? Well, that's exactly why Astrobhava exists. Astrobhava specializes in online Homa rituals, making this sacred tradition accessible to you no matter where you are located. Our experienced Vedic scholars conduct the rituals on your behalf, live streaming them so you can actively participate from the comfort and privacy of your own home. With Astrobhava, distance or busy schedules are no longer barriers to experiencing spiritual renewal and divine blessings. Let's address a few common questions we received from our audience about Homa rituals. Firstly, how can an online Homa ritual be effective? Great question. Remember, spiritual energies transcend physical spaces. Our expert priests perform the rituals with our intention clearly set, ensuring that divine blessings reach you directly, no matter your geographical distance. Countless participants across the globe have shared their powerful experiences and tangible outcomes after attending online rituals. Another commonly asked question: are there different types of homas for specific purposes? Absolutely. At Astrobhava, we offer various specialized homas such as Ganpati Homa for obstacle removal, Lakshmi Kuber Homa for wealth, Navgraha Homa for planetary balance, Saraswati Homa for knowledge and creativity, and many more. Each is thoughtfully designed to target specific aspects of your life and enhance particular energies, providing exactly the support you need. Finally, how often should one perform a Homa ritual? This depends on your personal needs and life situations. Some might benefit from monthly rituals to maintain spiritual alignment and continuous progress, while others may need a single, powerful session to resolve a particular challenge. At Astrobhava, we provide personalized guidance tailored to your unique circumstances, ensuring maximum benefits and optimal spiritual results. Now, imagine this. You wake up tomorrow feeling lighter, empowered, and optimistic, knowing that the universe is aligning to support your goals. Imagine the ease of tackling daily challenges with renewed clarity and confidence. That's the power of Homa rituals. That's the transformation Astrobhava aims to deliver. Our dedicated team of authentic Vedic priests ensures each ritual is performed meticulously, following ancient scriptures and rituals precisely. Every step, every mantra, every offering is carried out with utmost care and spiritual integrity, creating an authentic and powerful spiritual experience designed specifically for your personal transformation. So, are you ready to ignite your life's sacred spark? To transform obstacles into stepping stones and challenges into opportunities? At Astrobhava, we are here to guide and support you through every step of this empowering journey. Remember, spirituality isn't about escaping your problems, it is about transcending and transforming them. And with the ancient wisdom of Homa rituals, you have the tools right at your fingertips. Visit our website at astrobhava.com to explore our wide ranges of online Homa rituals and book your personal consultation today. Connect with our experts and let them guide you toward spiritual renewal and divine blessings. Remember, clarity, abundance, and peace are just a click away. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening episode of Sacred Sparks. Until the next time, may your life be illuminated by positivity, peace, and prosperity.